The Standards and Regulation Division of the Ministry of Health is investigating international reports about a popular heartburn medication, Zantac, which has been linked to cancer. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says that review, the ministry will decide whether or not to remove the drug from local shelves. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Zantac is an over-the-counter medication used to treat stomach acid issues such as heartburn. More than a dozen countries around the world use Zantac. However, over the past few days, there has been a flurry of worldwide concern about the drug. On Friday, the United States Food and Drug Administration said the product may contain small levels of a possible cancer-causing chemical linked to liver damage. It is why the drug is now being removed or banned from shelves in some countries. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the Standards and Regulation Division in the ministry is currently reviewing the reports.
We track the information that comes out of the international media and agencies related to public health. In this instance, the news has been received and taken up at the level of the clinical management team. The Chief Medical Officer has referred the matter to the standards agency, which regulates through registration drugs, including that particular one.
Dr. Tufton says a decision as to whether the drug will be recalled or suspended from local shelves is expected over the next few hours.
My understanding is that there are authorized distributors in the country for the product. I am sure they would also be sensitive to any international news or recall based on information from not just the media but from the manufacturers who they represent. So it certainly would be a concern all around. And as a consequence, we will have to take a decision and consult with those who are responsible for distribution.
The Health Ministry says the decision will be influenced by what is happening internationally, adding that it's a major concern due to the health risks.
Well, obviously, if those who do the significant testing, normally in the developed countries, have issues through trials or otherwise, then we, because of their advanced technology, we would have to take our cue from them. And as a consequence, we tend to observe the warnings or otherwise that are issued, and then we do follow up from there, as we are doing in this case.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.